In this short video, I'll show you car poster design in Photoshop. Create a new document, 1500 px wide by 2000 px high at 300 dpi. Add a solid color adjustment layer to push the overall tint toward orange. Place the car and prepare it. Bring the car into the project, right-click the car layer and convert it to a smart object. Use Ctrl+T, free transform, to size as needed. Enhance with Camera Raw, apply the Camera Raw filter and adjust settings to taste, exposure, contrast, highlights/shadows, clarity, etc. Add exposure adjustment. Create an exposure adjustment layer, clip it to the car, and reduce exposure to bring down highlights. Create a radial gradient mask. Make sure you're on the layer mask. Use the gradient tool with a black to white radial gradient to shape the falloff around the car. Build white glow/shadow accents. Create a new layer. Use a soft round brush, white. Set blending mode to screen. Paint to add glow or light edges. Then free transform and refine with blending options, holding Alt to split transitions. Create another layer with a soft round brush, black. Set to multiply, to deepen shadows and refine transitions with a similar blending options approach. Shadow behind the car. Use the pen tool, P, to draw a shadow shape. Make a selection. Fill with black, Alt plus backspace. Deselect. Convert to smart object. Apply Gaussian blur, and mask as needed to soften edges. Shadow near the tires. Contact shadows. Draw another shadow shape with the pen tool. Fill with black, and blur/mask as above. Convert to smart object and apply blur as needed. Blur gallery is suggested later. Blur behind the tires for depth. Go to Filter, Blur Gallery, Field Blur. Keep the blur near the tires low and gradually increase toward the surrounding area to create depth. Darken the area around the car. Lifting the car off the background, add a curve adjustment layer, clip it to the car, and darken the image. Invert the mask, Ctrl+I, then paint with white on the mask using a soft brush to selectively darken/brighten as needed. Add the headline/text. On the bottom, add text, font choice shown in the video. Convert to smart object if you want to apply filters non-destructively. Add a gradient fill to the text, gradient tool, and then blur it slightly if desired. Gaussian blur on a smart object layer. Add logo or branding. Bring in the logo and place it where you want it in the composition. Final polish. Merge or stack as needed. Select all visible layers and merge. Ctrl+Alt+Shift+E. Convert the merged result to a smart object again. Then go to Filter Noise. Add noise to give a cohesive finish. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.